Hey guys, my name is Angel,
Hi, I'm Marco.
and we are mentors in the Life program here at NWACC.
At its core, the Life program is designed to make your transition to college as smooth as possible.
We also do tons of volunteer work around the community. One of the biggest things that we do is the Run Bentonville Marathon. If you're interested in volunteering with us, let one of us mentors know.
Or speak to our coordinator, Juanita Franklin, directly.
If you're a new student at NWACC, we're so glad to have you. You'll need to attend one of our upcoming open house events.
At Open House, you'll learn how to make the most of your time at NWACC. When you arrive at NWACC, you'll be parking at the lot east of the parking garage.
The parking garage will be closed because it will be used as check-in and for the resource fair.
We'll tell you more about the resource fair in a minute. Accessibility parking is available east of the parking garage.
The parking garage is also where you'll check in.
And then you'll head over to the Student Center for your information sessions.
We'll let our peer pack friends let you know more about it.
Hi, my name is John Calloway,
And I'm Kate Humphreys.
and we are with the NWACC Peer Pack Advising and Mentoring Team.
So we as the Peer Pack mentors serve as a concierge desk for students.
Like if you're lost and don't know where to go, we'll walk you there, and we'll also help you register for your classes.
We will also help you find out who your advisor is and help you schedule appointments with them. We can also get you connected around campus with different clubs and organizations.
If you need us, you can find us here at the second floor of the Student Center.
If you're hungry, stop by. We'll always have fresh made popcorn.
Sounds right.
When you check in, we'll give you a session schedule with locations.
It will also have a list of important dates on the back.
You should keep this somewhere safe to help you remember. All of the information sessions will be held here in the Student Center.
These sessions will include everything from campus resources to student life, everything you need to succeed at NWACC. Students are required to attend a total of 4 sessions.
Know your code, you are not alone, and 2 sessions of your choosing.
If you're the first person in your family to go to college, that's awesome!
In addition to Know Your Code and You Are Not Alone,
First generation college students will also need to attend a session called I'm First.
this session is specifically for college students who are the first to go to college in their families.
To view the full list of sessions and their descriptions, please check the website.
nwac.edu/open house,
The Life Mentors mentioned the resource fair,
which you'll really want to check out.
so here's Saga to tell you all about it.
Hi, my name is Heidi Pinel-Cam,
And I'm Ronlisha Nichols.
and we are a Student Ambassador in Government Association.
Also known as SAGA. We advocate for students on campus and start programs to serve them.
One of our programs that we just launched is a bike program so that students will be able to check them out and ride them around on campus. Being involved at NWACC can make you be more successful
Build relationships.
and make your college experience way more fun.
You can learn how to get involved at our resource fair in the parking garage,
You'll get to visit our many student clubs and organizations.
like the Music Club and Geek Alliance.
You can learn how to find your own place here.
We should also mention there will be snacks! We are so excited that you chose NWACC.
And we look forward to meeting you soon.